Today I'm going to demonstrate the vertical Larks head knot. Hi, I'm Sheena Joy. I create macrame textile art and I'm here to simply inspire you to do the same. If that's your jam, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification. To make this knot, wrap your working cord around the front of your lead cords. And then you want to do the same thing, only you want to wrap your working cord behind your lead cords and then through the loop that you had created, just like so. So again, let's do it to the other side. And you want to wrap around the front and then around again from behind and then through your loop, just like so. Now let's carry on and complete this lattice pattern. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.